what Rural Voice has been planning on, if you've been following us. Yes, now this is what happened yesterday on 4th. We had to go to the office there in Rural Voice, Obosai, Agirigiroi Sub-County. We were doing mainly a community outreach, meeting up with the children in the community who are unable to afford some scholastic materials. So this time we were trying to talk to them before everything took place. We had to start our day with a prayer, and we had the LOCs around. We had the mainly children and a few youth girls around. So here one of the village boys was helping us say a prayer to bless the day. We started our thing a little bit late because most students had gone to school and they go to different schools, and our target was to have different children from different schools. So here we were saying a prayer to bless the day and thank God for this beautiful day, for the gifts that we had and we're about to distribute. Here I am with the Rural Voice team who are helping out with the work. We were actually in our office in Obosai. We had to take the furniture out because the house was seriously full. I didn't actually expect this big turn up, but I thank God everything all went well. Everyone got something, and the parents came along with the children because the activities went up to 7 o'clock in the night. So here we tried our best to give out books to the children. We gave out pads to the girls. We also, although the men were also wanting to be given so that they can take to their wives, but of course we had to give to our target people. Yes, so I want to thank everyone who turned up, who made this day beautiful. The children were so happy. As you can see here, they were showing what they were grateful for, and I am so happy that this day happened successfully. Our community outreach was a great success, and it was really beautiful.